North, south, east, or west? Mr. Miles left no forwarding address. On with the road sign montage. Here. I thought you probably thought we were going to Las Vegas. Not going to Las Vegas, kiddies. We're going right here. You'll see why. Let me show you. Key, very important. friends, was the Hoover Dam right there. If you blink, you missed it. Wow. Right there, there's a parking spot with my name on it. What fool leaves this fucking car wide open? Let's go take a look at the Hoover Dam, along with every other tourist. The Arizona line. Arizona? Nevada. Arizona? Nevada. Stupid, I know. It is gander time. That's 150 feet. That's stratification right there. That's when Lake Mead was full from the Colorado River, but it's not that anymore. And you end up with that 150-foot drop right there. The last time Lake Mead was full to the level that you're seeing right there was 1983. When Ronald Reagan was president and gas was 98 cents a gallon. What do you kids think? Hold on, there's one thing I want to take a look at. These things I drove past on my way in. Let's go take a gander.
The sculptor therefore gave the flint bronzes which guard the flag the look of eagles. He also gave them the vital outward thrust of an aspirational gesture to symbolize the readiness for defense of our institutions and keeping of our spiritual eagles, ever ready to be on the wing. Another example of salad directly commenting on
kitties, that is the end of today's episode. Thanks a bunch for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. I did. Had a lot going on today. You will see another piece of this episode tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one. That was entirely unexpected. But it's the reason why the light changed dramatically from one piece of the episode to the next, and you'll see why. That said, thanks a bunch for watching. Appreciate your time, your patience, and your patronage. If you like this stuff, do me a kind courtesy. Smash that like button down below. It really helps out the channel immensely. Right next to that is the subscribe button, and right next to that is the notifications bell. Please click that to be notified every single time I upload new content. Which reminds me, this is also user-supported content, which is my quaint and delicate way of saying I need some cash. Whatever you can donate, that money goes directly into the gas tank, paying my insurance, putting a little bit of food in the old stomach so that I can continue to show you places just like this and telling you a few stories along the way. Speaking of which, those stories are linked down below in the description. Please go look at them. If you like them, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, you're really helping out the channel. All right, that's enough yapping for today. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you somewhere along this road. See you later. Bye.